Hey guys, I'm Deepthi Desikan and today's video is going to be a skincare dupes or a skincare alternative sort of a video. You can categorize it however you like it. So I have some popular products mostly, which I have some affordable dupes for that, and these perform pretty similar, and that's the reason I categorized it as a dupe. But they might not really have the exact same ingredients, because in that case I cannot film this video at all, and it's really hard to find that. There might be some common ingredients. I categorize these products based on their performance. I have used this for a really long time to categorize it that way and to find out, okay, is this similar to the Highend product? Okay, it gives me the exact same result like this. So that is what I'm going to be talking to you guys about. So there are some popular products in this video as well. So this is the second time I'm actually sitting down to do this video. So I did film a footage of all of these products and all these talk through and everything around, I think, December last year, and I didn't really like the way it turned out, so I didn't edit it, and I kind of I've just kept that on hold. So I thought I'll refilm it right now, and let's see how this goes about. This is not my original concept. I have seen a lot of people do this. So okay, the first product which we are going to be talking about is a super popular one. This one is the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. It's a really popular cleansing balm. You get 30 ml of product for 890 rupees. It melts off everything on your face. It just takes off every inch of makeup, and it doesn't really sting and burn your eyes, and it's a popular product for a reason. But I wanted to try out the travel size of this, because the full size of this is for 3000 rupees, and I don't want to spend that much money on a cleansing balm, especially because there are so many good affordable options available, and you get better quantity for price as well. So the affordable option that I'm going to be showing you guys is from this brand called Rituals. This one, you get 100 grams of product, and this retails for 650 rupees, but you can always find it on discount for around 599. I will link the website down in the description box below for you guys to try out. So this is their blueberry and lavender cleansing balm. It says nourish it clean. So this is what the consistency of the cleansing balm looks like. So this one, it does come with a spatula of sorts, but I don't really use it. I just scoop the product right in with my finger, apply it all over my face, and then you can wash it off by using warm water. I just use normal water. I apply it on my dry skin, massage it nicely on my face, on my eyes, and everywhere. It takes off every bit of makeup on your face. So you melt it down initially, and then you can use water and wash it away. You can use reusable cotton rounds, you can use makeup cloth or anything. I use this Miniso makeup towel, because this is also pretty efficient in taking off everything from your face, and it does a really good job. It's very easy, and you can wash it as well. I have washed this so many times, but the stains don't really go, but it is very effective, and it was super affordable. I got 2 of this for 250 rupees. So I use this one and take off every bit of the cleansing balm and the makeup from my face, and it just melts everything down. It's a really nice cleansing balm. It's a really good affordable option for you to try this one out. I also do really like the Plum Illuminance cleansing balm, which I have emptied, and it is a pretty good alternative as well. But a lot of people find that to be a little bit too oily, especially if you have oily skin, and it can leave an oil slick, an oil residue on your face. So not a lot of people really like that, but this one doesn't do that, and this is suitable for all skin types. So irrespective of your skin type, you can actually try this cleansing balm. And then another makeup remover which we are going to be talking about is the Bioderma Sensibio Micellar Water. So this one, you get 100 ml of product, and this retails for 395 rupees. So if you feel like you don't really get enough of quantity for the price you're paying, because it is 395 rupees, and you might run out of this a lot faster, there is a good affordable option, which is the Garnier Micellar Water, where you get 125 ml, and this one retails for 175 rupees. But just keep this in mind that the Bioderma one is known to work for people with all skin types, especially if you have sensitive skin and you tend to break out, or certain products dry your skin out. This one wouldn't do that, and it wouldn't strip your skin of any moisture. But this is quite effective as well, and I do really like this product as well. And both of these I have repurchased, and I particularly use a lot of micellar water, especially when I'm doing my makeup and I'm getting ready, I want to clean up something, lip swatches and everything, so I need something with a little bit more quantity. But if you have sensitive skin, stick to the Bioderma SensiBio H2O Micellar Water. So next up, let's talk about a serum that a lot of people really like. This one is the Innisfree Green Tea Seed Serum. So this you get 160 ml of product, and this retails for around 1,600. I can't find this online, but we got this from the store. So initially we started trying this one out. It seemed like it's moisturizing your skin, but the effect is not long lasting. Now the green tea present in this serum is supposed to soothe your skin, and it also contains hyaluronic acid, which is supposed to lock in the moisture, which I feel like it doesn't do. And also it's supposed to like reduce the appearance of texture on your skin, which I feel like, again, like I mentioned, I don't see all of those results. But I can see this work for people with oily skin, but not sensitive acne prone skin. I found that I have so many affordable serums and serum option that does exactly pretty much the same thing. So I have this one from the brand called M Caffeine, and this one is a green tea face serum. Now the M Caffeine Green Tea Face Serum again contains green tea, which can be calming and soothing on the skin, and it also contains hyaluronic acid just like the other serum, and also has vitamin C in this in the form of magnesium ascorbyl phosphate, which I feel like it does the exact same thing like the Innisfree serum, and this is like half or less than half the price of that, and it is a little bit more hydrating on my skin. I have tried this out personally and I feel like it works better. It does contain fragrance and color, so use all these products very subjectively. If you have very sensitive acne prone skin, I don't think you should be taking recommendations from me. First of all, I think you should be visiting a dermatologist. And then let's talk about a sleeping mask. This is the Laneige water sleeping mask. Now this water sleeping mask, I can see it work for a lot of people. It has a really nice lightweight texture and it can instantly absorb into your skin. However, I do feel like the result is not quite long lasting, like the hydration and locking in the moisture into your skin is not long lasting. It doesn't really do anything like it mentions to brighten the complexion, even your skin tone, or even like reduce the texture of your skin. But however, it does make your skin feel a little bit plump. So I use this, I have tried using this both ways. I have tried using this as an overnight sleeping mask where it didn't do much for me. So I use this before my moisturizer just to add that little bit of plumpness onto your skin, which this product certainly does. And it's great to use it underneath makeup as well, which even they've mentioned it on the official Laneige website, where your makeup goes on smoothly, and I feel like it certainly does make the makeup go on smoothly. Now something that I have that is quite similar to the Laneige water sleeping mask is from Dot & Key. This is their water sleeping mask. The claims of this is pretty much exactly like the Laneige water sleeping mask. The texture, the way it feels on the skin is like that. Just the packaging is a little different, and of course you get more quantity for the price. And this is what the texture looks like. It's very lightweight, it absorbs instantly into your skin, and I have used this one over the Laneige water sleeping mask quite a lot. So if the Laneige water sleeping mask has been working out for you, you can definitely try out the Dot & Key one as well, because it's almost the same. It does contain hyaluronic acid in it, chamomile, and as well as Bulgarian rose. They are pretty strong in terms of fragrance, so if you again do not like strong fragrances, you might not really like this. Now the next one we have is the Clinique 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. Now this particular variant is not available on Nykaa. They've changed it into two different variants, but this is the one that I got a while back. So this is sort of like a creamy gel sort of a moisturizer, and this one is said to contain hyaluronic acid and a bunch of humectants, and particularly useful for people with acne prone skin, sensitive skin, because it's fragrance free as well, and it is really nice if you want it for that purpose. I feel like it works really well for me on days where I don't really use makeup. It does hold in the moisture, it does lock in the moisture onto my skin, and does make my skin feel a little bit plump with the aloe and the hyaluronic acid present in this. But for underneath makeup, I need something just a little bit more thick sometimes. And an alternative that I have is from Neutrogena. This is their Hydro Boost Water Gel. Now this moisturizer I feel like is quite similar to the Clinique Moisture Surge in terms of the results that it is that it provides, and it's said to be non-comedogenic, but it does contain fragrance in it. So if you do have sensitive skin, just keep that in mind. But it feels exactly like that on the skin. It's a gel-based moisturizer and it feels really lightweight on the skin as well. And this moisturizer contains hyaluronic acid and a couple of other humectants, emollients in it. This is not something that I have discovered and I am telling that, okay, this is an alternative to the Clinique Moisture Surge. A lot of people recommend this to be an alternative to the Clinique Moisture Surge, and this one you get 50 grams of product for 950 rupees. Next up, let's talk about the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir, which I don't really have right here to show you guys. I'll try to look up my storage to see if I have a clip of me comparing both of this, but this is the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir. Now, the Farsali Rose Gold oil contains rosehip oil as the base oil in it, and it is also said to make your skin really dewy, and also has some other skincare benefits like working on the hydration part of your skin, promote elasticity and firmness. I'm not very sure about all of that, but it's just a really good oil to use underneath makeup. And something that is very similar to that is from Indulgeo Essentials, and this is their rose gold oil. This one you get 15 ml of product as opposed to the 10 ml you get in Farsali, and this one you can always find it on discount. The base oil of this is sunflower oil as opposed to the rosehip oil in the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir. This oil again is said to work on firming your skin, pigmentation, just making your complexion even overall, but I don't find all of those results. But of course, if your skin is really dry, you can try this out. And this was for 1,280 rupees when I first got it. I'm not very sure if the prices have gone up, but I think I got this one on a very good discount deal because I remember paying much lesser for this. If it is for the full price, do not buy this. There are so many other affordable options, but if you want something that is exactly like the Farsali Rose Gold oil with that gold infused in that and all that, you can try this one out. It's very, very, very similar to that. And then again from Indulgeo Essentials, we have the Squalane Skin Hydrator. This is for normal to dry skin, and you get 30 ml of product. And this one doesn't really work for my skin. I have normal to somewhat dry skin, and I feel like it's not enough for people with normal to dry skin. So a good alternative is from this brand called Sugandha. This is their Squalane Vitamin E. So this you get 20 ml of product, and this is priced at 750 rupees. Again, Sugandha has really good discount deals most of the times, so that's the reason I got this one on a discount. And this one works a lot better for my skin type, especially if you like use it on top of a moisturizer. So squalane is a very lightweight oil. It absorbs instantly into your skin, and it doesn't make you feel heavy, and it doesn't really clog your pores, and that's the reason it is recommended for all skin types. You can definitely try that out if the Indulgeo Essentials Squalane is not working for you. So the last product we have is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. This one is a raved after product. A lot of people really like this. There are some people who don't really like this as well. For me, it works on certain days when my lips are not very dry. But when I have those very dry, flaky, chappy lips, this one doesn't work for me. So I have to look for something that is a little bit more nourishing, something that works a little bit better. But I do use this when I'm getting ready, when I'm applying my makeup just on my lips, because it forms a layer on my lips, and then I can do my makeup and everything and then take it off, wipe it away. So if you want a good option, one is from the brand called Ikai. This is their lip sleeping mask. It has the exact same texture like the Laneige lip sleeping mask. Let me show you guys. Just a little bit thicker, and this one has like a boomer fragrance to it, like the boomer bubble gum. Yeah, it has the same kind of fragrance. This one is a little bit more emollient, and this does have a little bit of that thickness to it. So this one works exactly similarly like the Laneige lip sleeping mask. So if you have very dry lips, this might not work for you. Another option that I have is from Mars, and this one is their lip sleeping mask, and this is completely different in terms of texture. Why am I not? I can't open this. This one is a completely different texture as compared to the Laneige lip sleeping mask, but it does the job of hydrating my very dry lips. So I use this these days. So a really good, super affordable alternative to the Laneige lip sleeping mask. But if this works for you and you really like it, stick to it, because people take offense when you talk something about this product. If it works for you, stick to it. But if it didn't and you were looking at options, these could be some of the options. The Ikai one can be slightly drying as well, like depends on your lip on that certain day. If it's not very dry, it will work, but if it's very, very dry and flaky and if it's chapped, try out the mask sleeping mask. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Do let me know what other skincare alternatives, dupes have you found. Let me know in the comment section down below. And while you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Yeah. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad